Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to roam from China. Roaming does work just fine. And by the way, VPNs, here we go. So TunnelBear and VPN Proxy Master, those two apps work just fine for me. So you guys will see VPN Proxy Master. You guys do not have to create an account or anything. Just go right into it, and then you guys can start just connect up to the US VPN, and that way you guys can access Facebook, Google Maps, and everything Google related. Anyways, I have a separate video that shows you that, but pretty much VPN Proxy Master gives you unlimited gigs without paying and just will cap your speed at a certain speed. And TunnelBear works different. They will cap actually how many megabytes or gigs. It's for free, and but you guys will have full speed with it. Anyways, those are the two free ones that I found work great. So if I really want to go into Google Maps and everything else to work, then I have to go into TunnelBear and then connect that up. And it works really easy. So like I said, I like TunnelBear just because it's gonna give me that speed. And there we go. So right now you guys can see VPN up here beside LTE, and that way I can access Google Maps and everything else. And again, once you turn off VPN, sometimes it does kind of stay and keep running in the background, so you guys don't really need to turn it on. But for the most part, yeah, you guys do need to turn it on in order to access everything, because whatever's left over from your VPN running in the background, it's just gonna be for a few minutes. So anyways, that's how roaming works here in China, so long as you guys can see that it fully works and you guys can just access anything you guys want. Anyways, that's it for this video tutorial. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write them down here in the comments area, and don't forget to subscribe.